Good afternoon, class 6th. As we have completed with the reading and the explanation of the lesson after 20 years, so we have completed this lesson, the section 3 of unit 6 after 20 years. So as I told you that this story was about the two friends which they were going to, those who were going to meet after 20 years at the same place where they have parted, and they were going to meet after 20 years at the same place and at 10 o'clock at the same time and at the same place they have parted 20 years ago. And the one name of the friend is, one of them is Bob and the other's name is James. Jimmy Wells. So the other one's name is Jimmy Wells, and this is a story written by O. Henry, and it has a very surprising and many twists, that at the end of the story we come to know that the police officer, the one who comes to meet, the one who is just roaming there and checking out the drawers and trying out the doors, the police officer, he is the same Jimmy Wells for whom that person with a cigar, the man with a cigar, is waiting, and he has no idea that this is my friend, that is for which I am waiting. So at the end he comes to know about that police officer was my friend, and the man with the cigar was a was arrested. He was caught red-handed by his friend because he has become a criminal in the 20 years. Or still that person Jimmy, that Silky Bob, was waiting for his friends, but he had no idea that his friend Jimmy Wells is now a honest police officer. So at the end of the lesson, he arrests him. He sends his colleague to arrest him because he couldn't do so, because he thought that he was once my friend. So his conscience did not allow him to arrest his friend. So that is why he sent his another friend in normal uniform, normal clothes, to arrest his friend, that is the most wanted man in Chicago. So this is the story, and we will do the question answer part in the next lecture, right? Word meanings and question answer part we will discuss in the next lecture. So today we are going to do with the exercise. Okay, so today we will do the exercise part. So this is the true and false. The man who was waiting for his friend was a noted criminal. Yes. The patrolman was once a true friend of the criminal. Yes, once he was a true friend. The incident took place on a hot night. No, it was a very chilly night. So this is false. The Bob and Jimmy were raised in Chicago. No, false. Because both of them were raised in New York. The tall man in long coat was an officer. The tall man in long coat was an officer. Yes, he was an officer and colleague of Jimmy Wells. Yes, he was an officer. So the first one is true, second one is also true, third and fourth are false, and fifth one is true. So now we come to the language skills. See, this is language skills. Look at the timelines. Make sentence using when. Bob smoked the cigar, the policeman comes. So how they have made? Bob was smoking the cigar when the policeman came. So now we are going to form the questions, these sentences using when. It rained, the patrolman arrives. So we will write, it was raining when the patrolman arrived. Write down. It was raining when the patrolman arrived. Full stop. Now the second one is Jimmy write a letter. Somebody knock on the door. Jimmy was writing a letter when somebody knocked on the door. So write down. Jimmy was writing a letter when somebody knocked on the door. Bob ran in a car. So they have not given any condition here. So I think this is incomplete. Bob ran in a car. So there is some condition. There should be some condition written and they have not written. So how come we can make the sentence? We can make it ourselves. So we can write down Bob was walking when he ran in a car. ठीक है. Bob was walking when he ran into a car. Means वो चल रहा था जबकि वो कार में hit हो गया. I read the paper, the phone rang. So I was reading the paper when the phone rang. When the phone rang. ठीक है. So I was reading the paper when the phone rang. Next one. Jane cooked dinner, the light go out. Jane was cooking dinner when the light went out. Jane was cooking dinner when the light went out. Clear? So we have completed the language skills A part. Now we are going to do the B part. Tick the each verb in the sentence and ask the questions how. Then underline the adverb of manner which the answer the question how. The first one is done for you. So we have already done the adverbs and adverbs of manners. It tells that how the action has taken place. Action कैसे हुआ है. It answer the question how. So we have to tick the each verb in the sentence and ask the question. Okay. Like in the first, Bob spoke calmly in front of his friend. So the question comes in mind is how does the Bob spoke in front of his friend? So you will answer calmly, isn't it? So Jimmy welcomed his friend warmly. So again, how he welcomed? Warmly. The diamond disappeared mysteriously. How the diamond disappeared? Mysteriously. Means the question that will come in mind is how. The tall man walked home slowly. How does the tall man walked home? Slowly. Isn't it? So I hope it is clear to you that the adverb of manner, it tells the manner in which the action has taken place. The officer shouted at the man angrily. So how? Angrily. How he shouted? Angrily. Bob packed his things hastily. Bob ने अपनी things कैसे पैक की? Hastily. Clear? Now come to the word par. Write the superlative form of these adjectives. Superlative जो third एकदम final degree होती है. This is the first degree and we have to write the third superlative. True, truest. जिसके पीछे अक्सर est लगता है. अक्सर लगता है. Mostly. Not in all. Tall, tallest. Far, farthest. Early, earliest. IEST लगा इसमें. ठीक है. जहाँ y होता है ना वहाँ y निकल जाता है, IEST लग जाता है. Quick, quickest. Lazy, laziest. IEST. y लगा ना, जो y वाले होते हैं वहाँ पे y निकल जाता है, IEST लग जाता है एंड में. Suffix. So like this we have finished this A part of the word par. Then we come to the B part. Bob and Jimmy are deciding where to go on holiday, Brazil, Thailand, or USA, complete their conversation with the correct superlative form of adjective given in the brackets. So now it is Bob. Well, I think good, the best. Means good का हमने superlative form लिखना है तो the best आ गया. Best place to go is Thailand. It is certainly cheap. तो हमने इसका superlative form लिखना है तो क्या बनेगा? Cheapest country. And it has got most beautiful beaches. Clear? Third इसका superlative degree है. Beautiful के आगे most लग जाता है. So the weather is wonderful means the weather is wonderful, full stop. Bangkok is the hottest city. इन्होंने blank यहाँ गलत डाल दिया, यहाँ आना चाहिए था. Bangkok is the hottest. hot का बन जाएगा hottest city in the world. आप लिख सकते हैं hottest Bangkok is the city. तो ये यहाँ आना था blank, इन्होंने गलती से यहाँ डाल दिया है. Now Brazil has beautiful beaches too and I think it is relaxing means हमने superlative degree add करनी है इसकी तो क्या आ जाएगा most relaxing क्योंकि जो ये कुछ हमारे जो irregular verbs होते हैं ना उनके आगे more या most लगता है वो ऐसे change होते हैं. ठीक है तो most लगता है हमेशा superlative degree में. Relaxing, it is dangerous means we will put here most dangerous. We will probably get shot means वो dangerous नहीं बहुत dangerous है. It is the most dangerous. Jimmy is saying that it is very relaxing but he is saying no, not relaxing. It is a very dangerous place to go. So we will got shot there. हम वहाँ पे मारे जाएंगे. Rubbish. The USA is bad. Bad का third form होता है worst. 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 Clear? New York is really dangerous for tourists. So let us go to Thailand. It is safest. तो वो बोल रहा है कि चलो थाईलैंड चलते हैं. It is the safest. It is most interesting place to having a completely different culture and the food is delicious. तो क्या लिखेंगे? Most delicious in the world. Well, yes, American food is probably most boring. He says no, it's the most boring and it is an most expensive place to go. So both the friends are just they are not able to decide where they should go on the holiday, Brazil, Thailand or USA. So like this we have added the superlative degrees here so you can just see their conversation. So likewise you can also carry on with your conversation when you are talking or comparing something. So when we are comparing something we use the second degree, that is the comparative degree, and when we are talking about the best among all तब हम superlative degree यानी कि third degree को use करते हैं जैसे कि यहाँ पे superlative degree use की गई है. Now we have to complete the following dialogue using would like to infinitive जो हमने किया था ना और like plus ing. Clear? Bob, would you like to go to the movie next week? There is new thriller on. Well, I would like to go. He says, well, I would like to go to a movie, but I hate thriller. I would like to see a comedy movie better. I would like to go and I would like to see. The next is Bob. Do you like eating? So here we are using ing, like plus eating. इन्होंने यहाँ लिखा है ना या तो हमने to के साथ infinitive लगाना है या like के साथ ing लगाना है. ठीक है. So here we using do you like eat के साथ हमने ing लगा दिया. Do you like eating out in the restaurants? Yes, I love it. I really like eating Indian food. Bob dash you dash go out for an Indian meal tonight. So he is asking, would you like to go out? When we are asking the question, तो हमने अभी टेंसेस आपको समझाए हैं सारे. तो पहले would लग जाएगा. Would you like going out for an Indian meal tonight? कि क्या तुम आज बाहर इंडियन मील खाने चलोगे? Would you like going या would you like to go out? Would you like to भी चल सकता है. यहाँ पे I don't have the eraser. Where it has gone? I don't know कहाँ चला गया इरेजर. अभी तो था मेरे पास. So here you can put would like to भी कर सकते हैं. Would like to go. ठीक है. Would you like to go out for the Indian meal tonight? Yes, please. I would like you to meet my friends. So you can write, I would like you to meet my friends. Why don't we all go out for dinner next week? Oh, I'm really shy. I don't like meeting new people. So what the Jimmy says, he says, when Bob offers that I would like you to meet my friends. So why don't we all go out for a dinner next week? So Jimmy says, no, I am really shy. I don't like meeting new people. So with this we have finished this exercise, and the next, turn the page, it's thinking skills. It is thinking skills. So here you have to figure out the meanings of the following signs and symbols, and you will get new word. So you will get a new word. One is done for you. So here it is, like H and some. तो क्या बन गया? H stands for and, right? Her and, तो क्या बन गया? Hand some. Equal इटी, तो क्या बन गया ये? इक्वालिटी. इक्वल लिखा हमने, इक्वल टू का साइन है ना यहाँ पे, और आई टी वाई, तो हमने क्या बना दिया? इक्वालिटी. नाउ दिस वर्ड इज आई कुडंट मेक आउट. अगर आपको समझ आता है, इन्होंने कुछ आधा दिया हुआ है, इसमें से कुछ मिसिंग है, इसीलिए समझ नहीं आ रहा है. स्टार प्लस TLED, तो क्या बना? स्टार्टल्ड. लिखिए, startled. The next word is surplus. लिखिए, surplus. 10 ants, तो क्या बन गया ये? tenants. हम बोलते हैं tenants. tenants क्या होते हैं बच्चे? tenants क्या होते हैं? tenants, यहाँ टी नहीं आएगा, सॉरी. tenants means किराएदार. TENANTS, tenants. I don't know where my eraser has gone, so I cannot rub this. So you people just write down the spellings correctly. I think I have misplaced my eraser. I couldn't find it. So you people just write down the right spellings, which I am telling you. Okay? So the next word is, क्या बना ये? weight lifter, तो क्या बन गया? weight lifter. एट बोलते हैं ना हम, एट द रेट ऑफ बोलते हैं ना, कैट एट अ लॉग, एट द रेट, एट द होता है ना इसका मीनिंग, एट द, तो ये बन गया कैट अ लॉग। CA9 मीन्स क्या बना, कैनाइन, कैनाइन। टेलीफोन मीन्स वन, तो क्या बन गया, टेलीफोन। -ING, माइनस साइन, पता नहीं ये मुझे नहीं समझ में आया, एक ये वाला भी मुझे समझ में नहीं आया। आप लोग ट्राई करो अगर आपसे बन जाता है, ठीक है। सो दिस इज़ डिवाइड का साइन होता है और क्या होता है, आई थिंक। तो मैंने तो ये डाइवर्स बनाया, आई डोंट नो, ये आप दोनों खुद देखेंगे, ठीक है। जस्ट फाइंड इट आउट कि ये क्या बनता है। इतने सारे मैम ने बताए हैं आपको। नाउ दीज 11, 12 एंड द थर्ड वन you will try to find it yourself, okay. So with this we have completed with this exercise of the story. So in the next lecture we will do the vocabulary and the question part, ठीक है। तो अभी आप फिलहाल ये पूरी एक्सरसाइज कर लीजिए कंप्लीट जो मैंने आपको करवाई है, पेज नंबर 116, 17 and 18. So now we have come to section 4 of the poem, that is why. So this poem is why. So we will just do the reading, okay? Read the following poem carefully. I know a curious little boy who is always asking why. Why this, why that, why then, why now? So the poet is asking कि मैं curious little boy को जानता हूँ जो हमेशा question पूछता रहता है why. Why this, ये क्यों, वो क्यों, why then, ऐसा क्यों हुआ, वैसा क्यों हुआ, अभी क्यों ऐसा हुआ. Why not, why, by and by means why not, अभी क्यों नहीं, और आगे भी why पूछता रहता है वो बच्चा. He wants to know why wood should float, why lead and marbles sink, why stars should shine and winds should blow, and why we eat and drink. So he is asking that he wants to know that why wood should float, कि wood जो है वो पानी पे float क्यों करती है, वो सिंक क्यों नहीं करती. और वाई लेड एंड मार्बल सिंक, जो लेड होता है हमारा और जो मार्बल है वो क्यों सिंक हो जाता है, और वुड क्यों सिंक नहीं होती, वो क्यों फ्लोट करती है पानी पे. वाई स्टार्स शुड शाइन एंड विंड शुड ब्लो, और स्टार्स क्यों शाइन करते हैं, विंड क्यों ब्लो करती है. एंड वाई वी ईट एंड ड्रिंक, और हम क्यों खाते हैं या क्यों पीते हैं. We want to know why wind should come from out. No, we have to read this. He wants to know what makes the clouds and why they cross the sky, and why the sun sinks behind the hills, and why the flowers die. So again he is asking कि why, what makes the clouds. Clouds कैसे बनते हैं, why they cross the sky, why the sun sinks behind the hills, and why the flowers die. He wants to know why wind should come. He asks that why the wind comes from out the bellows nose. Means पाइप में से हम फायर को जलाने के लिए पाइप में से करते हैं ना, बेलो फूक मारते हैं जैसे हम. From out the bellows nose, why pop guns should go pop, and why the oceans ebbs and flows. So that is why he is asking कि why pop guns should go pop. Pop guns क्यों pop करती हैं, और ओशंस का जो है एब एंड फ्लोज, जो ओशंस हैं वो फ्लो बैक और फ्लो क्यों करते हैं, वापस आते हैं फिर, मतलब एब एंड फ्लो होता है जब भी कभी वेव्स इधर आती हैं कभी वेव्स उधर जाती हैं, उसको बोलते हैं एब एंड फ्लो. सो दिस इज़ अ वेरी सिंपल पोएम. ही वॉन्ट्स टू नो वाई शिप हैव गिल्स, why fish have gills, and why boys cannot fly, why steam comes from the kettle's spout and rain falls from the sky. He wants to know why coal should burn and not a big bit of stone, how seeds get in the apple core and marrow in the bone. He wants to know why ice should melt and why spiders eat flies, why bees should sting and why the yeast should make the bread dough rise. Some of his why are not too hard to answer if you'll try, but other one no ever yet has the found reason why. So this is the very simple poem. There is a little boy who's asking so many questions that are starting with the why. So we will discuss these questions in the next lecture. So till now you just go through the exercise, complete that exercise.